Well, hey YouTube, I finally found a lawnmower, and a really nice one. Found this on Saturday, and I think I know why it was thrown out. I took a quick look at it. I think the engine sounds alright, and I don't think this thing is very old. When I was looking up parts, I think it was like a 2016 or 2017. So not too shabby. I'll bring you in to take a closer look. It's a Toro with the aluminum deck. Bag has never been used. Has a mulch plug. The air filter is like brand new. Auto choke system, Honda GCV 160. And I believe it was thrown away because of the drive cable. It's all mangled up. I don't know what they pinched it in. And we have oil, and it doesn't look that dirty. The tank is dry, by the way. When I squirt carb cleaner, the rear wheels turn, so the rear wheel drive is stuck on. I think that's why it was thrown out. So that's what she does as it is. And today I'm going to put on a cable. And here is said cable. And it is Toro part 108-8158. I need to get under here, so the first thing I'm going to do is try to get that cover off. 3/8 inch bolt. Looks like this one didn't have to come out. Pretty snazzy. Now I want to disconnect the cable. And since I want to reuse the plastic cover, I'll remove all these little zip ties. And the cable's out. And after a little bit of a struggle, not too bad, I got that cover back on both cables, the new cable's inside, and I cleaned most of the grass out of here. Now this, to hook into the hole on the side, like that, and then snap it in, like that. But you can see there's a hole down on the side there. The belt's in the way. There. That's where that hook's on, right there. That's how you want it. And the other end of the cable I put into the plastic holder that bolts onto the handlebar. And the other end goes right there. And then I'll need to adjust the tension right here. Not too tight, not too loose. I want it just right. And right up there, that's where the cable hooks in. I'm gonna try this. I have it just not too tight, not real tight, but just a little bit slack. Right there. I'm gonna give that a try. And the cover. Sometimes on these aluminum decks, when they get older, these bolts have a tendency to break off in the deck. But I got lucky here. I have not yet put gasoline in this lawnmower. Who wants to take a bet on whether it will or will not start? Place your bets. Well, that cable took care of the self-propelled problem. I suspect this thing sat for a little while, and there might be a little bit of stuff in the carburetor. It's surging just a little bit, but it's not plugged up. So another day I'll take that carburetor off and have a looky-loo. But not a bad find, I don't think. That cable was 25 bucks or so, 26 bucks online. And this is a model 20382. I think this will definitely be a springtime lawnmower. If I get that little surge out of it, I'll probably get 250 easy for this in the spring. Never had one of these Toros with a Honda engine on it. Personal pace, never had one with the aluminum deck. This combination. When I found it, the guy was mowing with his brand new battery powered lawnmower. I asked him if I could take it. He said sure. Joke's on him, this thing will probably last longer than that one. So if you have a Toro with a drive table that needs to be replaced, and your Toro is similar to this, I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.